Our staff goes that extra mile to ensure that everyone walks away happy and satisfied. It's part of our top-notch 5-star experience, and we're excited to share our latest rave review with you. And as much as we think we're doing a good job, hearing about great experiences like this makes us push harder to do better. We really appreciate and enjoy what everyone has to say about us. The most important thing for us is that people take the time to tell us what a great job we're doing. So whether you're somebody we haven't seen in a while or new to us, we value everyone, new and old, and treat them equally with great service. So why wait? Contact us at the number on your screen today and find out for yourself what everyone's raving about.